Thank you for choosing this channel and welcome. We want to see how we can make an Excel data form that we can use to search, to add records, to update records, and even to delete records in this data. Our form will look like this, where once you search by the receipt number. Now you can also add a record if only that receipt number does not exist in the record. You can delete a record, you can update a record, and such. Now I want us to get started. We go to VBA editor by pressing Alt and F11. For other computers, it is Alt and F11 and Fn and also F11. We insert a user form, and we resize it so that it can fit our text boxes and labels. I want to add a number of labels, about 9 of them. Then I will add text boxes. I need about 8. Then we rename the labels. The first one is receipt number. The other one is date. Then we have confirm. We have description. Then we have customer key, and we have name, amount paid. We have balance, and finally we have customer key. Let's then add some 4 buttons. 4 buttons, where one is for adding, the other one is for updating, the other one is for deleting, and the other one is to exit. Now we want to change the font size for the selected text boxes, and we can put the font to about 10, bold and 10. That will do, will be okay. Then for the first text boxes, we can put the font to be bold and about 14, yeah. And that one, because it is the one that we shall be using to search our records. Let's then rename our buttons. The first one, it is for adding records, so we can just say add record. Then we have update, we have delete, and finally we have exit. Let's add the title is add, update, delete. Yeah, and update, delete records. Font size, we make it bold and a size like 16. Okay. Then we change the background color. First of all, we align it center. Then we shall change the background color. To a color like blue will do. Light blue, something like that is okay. Then we change the back color for the whole form to a color like that one. Yeah, I think it is okay. Then we rename the text boxes. The first one is text box A1. Then we have text box A2, text box A3, text box A4, text box A5, A6, A7, and A8. We name our buttons. The first one, we can call it CMD add, and second one, CMD update, then CMD delete del, and CMD exit. Okay, make it a little bit bigger, and yeah, it is okay. That size is okay. Then all these are doing fine. They are good, and we can see it. They are okay. An AI program from openai.com. That's their website. And if you are new to ChatGPT, you can just search in your Google, and you'll find such a page where you can log in or sign up. The program is very helpful, especially in programming, as it has been trained to give every solution that you may have. And also, it is free, so you can feel free to try it and to interact with it, and you'll find the difference. Once you are done, you'll get to a page like this one. Now, here you can now chat with this AI program. We present our case to the program, where I have put the question that I want to make an Excel template to search, add, update, and delete record. My data is in sheet 1. There are 8 fields. I have a user form with 8 text boxes. That is text box A1 to text box A8. It has 4 buttons: CMD add to add records, CMD update to edit or update record, CMD delete to delete records, and CMD exit to exit. The first field of the data contains unique records. When we change the value in text box A1, it's supposed to select that row, then populate the record in the other fields. Else, or if the field is not found, it leaves to leave the fields blank. To add a new record, check if the value in text box A1 exists in column A. If not, add the record. Kindly help us with the codes. So that is the problem we have presented to chat. Let's see what it shall generate for us. Continue. Okay, now there we are. The chat box have generated the codes for us. Now we can just copy and paste to our user form, and go back to our user form. we double click one of the text boxes and we paste our new codes here that way. And since we had described even the user form we had created, we are sure that it shall give us, it will work perfectly. Now we want to insert a button that we shall use to open the form, to load the form. We rename it to we edit text to show form. Yeah. Then we assign a macro. We assign macro is a new one that we shall just use a form1 dot show to show our form. Now let's see if it is working. Yeah, here we have our user form1. We put a receipt number. It is searching. It's working well. Let's try updating. We change some values here in customer key. And yeah. The update, it has updated. It's doing well. Let's also get a record that we can delete. Let's change this one to, okay, let's try to add a record. It cannot add because that value already exists. It's working as we expected. Then let's delete this record. It is right here. Let's see if it can delete. Yeah, it has deleted. It's okay. Exit. Before we exit, let's let us add a new record like that. That one does not exist. Let's put some values here. Yeah, some values. That was not supposed to be customer key, but it's okay. Yeah, the record. Yeah, the record has been added successfully because it does not exist in the database. Let's see if that value is there. Move down to the maybe. Yeah, it is there. So the value have been added. We can try to maybe change some dates to update a record. It has been updated. It's okay. Our form is working as expected, and and it's good. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Kindly subscribe. Yeah, if you have found it useful, you may like our video. Thank you.